Little yellow one.
This one is for throwing darts, not an night, not for shooting arrows. Ah, it's out. Let's go out.
This can't come out. They want to dig the wall.
Where to run out from? Come.
This hurts much more than everyone else. It hurts a lot. This is a delicate area, so don't scratch it.
You see, it's still not coming.
Oh, this vault is out, oh dear. Don't hit the feathers. You can't move when dressed. If I move, I feel uncomfortable. What to do? I'm too fat. It's okay. Why can't I play with shoes on when it's so cold?
So, this is not about you saying it doesn't matter. It's really good.
Yes, may I ask what this is? What are you planning to do?
Look at it doing this.
I will help you. This. Very good, very good, very good. Will I make a perpetual calendar? No, no. The duck that repairs houses and attacks rabbits is a person, borrowing dumplings from the rooster at noon. The rooster said, I also need them myself, can't lend them. And after a while the duck asked the rooster again. The rooster said, I also need them myself, can't lend them. Leaving them might cause a big mess.
Show me with your hand and talk to me about it.
The strong wind blew it away. It looks like you all. So nice. Once we got to the construction site, everything was put down. Really nice.
So painful.
The skin is hard. The skin is hard. It should come off. It can't come off. No, that one hasn't been removed.
I bent this knife.
Covered in mud, ducks have their own strengths. What about this rooster?
I have already picked it out. Does it still hurt when you go back? Don't move, it's out. This part is very hard. Ah, now it's gone. It's spread out.
Right, Mom, like this. You need to not rush. Hurry up. This red flag, all those in front, gather behind me and move back.
Does it like to eat meat?
It doesn't like to eat meat.
How can you pretend if you don't like eating meat?
You can do it like this. What are these two doing? Going crazy. This call is up to you. I've sent it. That's enough. I don't like eating. What's the reason for the two roosters?
Look at this piece.
Just give a tree root, okay?
No, you see it for love. You want to borrow something from him and also want others to borrow his things. He doesn't lend, yet he helps others. Others are wrong. He helps. Look at this family. You see the rabbit borrows his things. He doesn't lend to the duck. He even runs to the road. He doesn't lend to him.
The business is good because he still doesn't have money and he doesn't know where those helpers came from. Aren't you going to hit people if you don't pay them? Is that right or wrong? Oh, such long teeth have all fallen out. It's down. Look at Mom, there's a hum. Thank you. Oh, not bad. Flying a kite. You have to fly it.
Release a little, release it first, and then it's